Hi, my name is Melissa Mead, and this is my introduction video for this class. I've been married to my husband, Brian, for 18 years now, and we live in Wichita, Kansas. And we're currently building a home out in Hayesville, though, so we're on that process of moving. We have one son together, and his name is Nicodemus. He's 6 years old and a wild child, definitely. He's in the middle there, bowling. He's also in the picture on the left with our big brothers, big sisters, little Trevon, who's a sophomore. And then we also have Lotta, who's a foreign exchange student from Germany, and she's a junior. Our dog, Sora, we just got her in August from the Kansas Humane Society. She's part Border Collie, part St. Bernard, and thinks she's a lap dog, even though she's only 80 pounds. Teaching wise, I've taught for 15 years now. 14 of those were third grade. Loved it, but I decided, something new needed to happen. So this is my first year teaching fifth grade. I'm enjoying it immensely. This is also my first year at USD 261 Hayesville. Right now, I'm working towards my master's degree in ESOL. I already have my endorsement. And for my master's, I only have one class left after this, so I'm super excited. My expectations for this class, I want to increase the depth of knowledge for my students and utilize while learning or completing assessments. I really want them to dig deep and not just be reciting. And two, I want to learn about the newest integrations of technology in the classroom. Last year I did remote teaching, and I learned a lot of things from that, and I'm trying to adapt and use that in my classroom currently and make it to where it's not just replacing written form, but getting to really delve in there and help them out with later things. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to work with all of you. Thank you.